Hi everyone, I'm Gergely. Welcome back to Vizcom 101. In this video, we'll explore new verticals from our previous design work. First, we check how to influence a new product or a new range of products from our previous work. Then we also check how to directly render our sketch from a mood board that we created. Let's dive in. We generated some mood boards previously, and now I want to show a cool way of creating new products or even entire ranges of products from these mood boards. To do that, let's connect the modify block and describe that we want to create a new product out of this mood board. Since the input image is the mood board itself, it's going to reference that and it will make something new out of it. This is one quick random way to generate inspiring designs directly from the mood boards. For a more controlled process, let's actually plug in a new sketch and connect it to the modify block as well. Now we can ask Vizcom to render the sketch according to the mood board, so we can get inspiring material compositions and expand our product DNA into new verticals. And that concludes how to expand into new verticals. We checked how to create new ideas from previous work, and then we also directly used mood boards to render our sketches as well. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the next video when we progress further in the workflow.